and soft in the prescribed snake dravya to the fatty part is called picture. Requirement: equipment for procedure. Take a thick scale cotton swab and white bandage. Keep the cotton swab inside the white bandage. This is called cotton pad and other term is picture. Other requirement for procedure: medicated oil, तेल, शीरबला तेल, आंवला तेल, ब्रह्मी तेल are used in this procedure.
मैं थोड़ा धीरे ही करेंगे बहुत खुशी.
Benefit of Pichu. Pichu may help to increase the blood circulation to the affected part, strengthen the muscles in the area. It has the release of toxin from the body part. It may be helpful in regulating the blood supply of brain
Okay, no problem.
and can relieve the pain in migraine. Which is one of the most active treatment for dropping stress, depression, anxiety and calm the mind. I will explain the 4 types of Pichu. First Shiru Pichu, second Janu Pichu, third Griva Pichu and fourth Kati Pichu. First I explain the Shiru Pichu. The procedure with piece of cotton gauze is folded deep specific oil kept on center of the head is called Shiro Pichu. Here it is shown figure of Shiro Pichu. Indication of Shiro Pichu: hair fall, itching, cracking the skin or scalp, heaviness in eye, headache, insomnia, premature graying of hair. Contraindication of Shiro Pichu: sensitive skin, open wound of head. Purakarm. Before this procedure, fitness assessment. Check for any open wound. Check the monitor vital including BP, pulse rate, temperature. Patya Ahar Vyar. Patient is to be advised to pass his bowel before the procedure. Patient counseling. Orientation regarding the procedure, duration and benefit. Don't warm the oil on directed gas. Heat the oil indirectly on water till lukewarm. Pradhan. During procedure, patient is made to sit comfortably in a chair. Tie a band of cloth around the forehead above the ear. Do massage over the head, neck and shoulder. Place a piece of cotton over the center of the head. Pour lukewarm oil at the center of cotton till cotton gets completely soft. Keep and maintain it for around 30 minutes. Prashad. After complete of Shiro Pichu, then remove the Pichu, wipe the head completely. Second is Janu Pichu. Janu Pichu comprises of 2 words. Janu meaning knee joint and Pichu means cotton swab. Indication of Janu Pichu: stiffness of joint, osteoarthritis, difficulty in walking, tingling sensation. Contraindication: fracture. In case of fracture, patient not allow you to touch your body part because of pain and tenderness of joint. Sensitive skin. If we apply the Pichu on sensitive skin, it can cause rashes and redness over the skin. Loss of sensation. Patient is not able to analyze the temperature of oil that may lead to burn. Local injury. If we apply the Pichu on injury area, it aggravates the condition and result in infection. During this procedure, the patient is asked to sit comfortably with knee extended. Heat the oil in direct water till lukewarm. Starting massage to the knee joint is done with lukewarm oil. During procedure, place the cotton pad on the knee joint. Lukewarm oil is poured on the cotton pad till the entire pad is soaked. The pitch is maintained inside for 30 minutes. After this procedure, the cotton pad is removed from the side. Knee joint area is cleaned with clean, dry cotton pad. Safety measures. The temperature of oil should be checked before the application of pitch to the affected part. Emergency management. The application of the grip in case of burn should be done. The procedure should further be discontinued. Third is Griva Pichu. Griva Pichu is similar as procedure of Shiro Pichu, but two things is different from Shiro Pichu. One is position, second is area. First, position is patient is advised to lay down in prone position, comfortably in bed, and apply the Pichu on cervical region. Indication of Griva Pichu: stiffness in neck, pain in neck, shoulder, inflammation in neck, and loss of movement. Kati Pichu. Applying oil to the lower back region with similar technique as mentioned for Janu Pichu called Kati Pichu. Position: patient is advised to lay down in prone position on bed. Indication of Kati Pichu: lower back pain, sleep disc, and sciatica, lumbosacral strain. Precaution: do's. After this procedure, warm water intake and travel in warm climate, warm place, and early to bed. Put cotton plug in ear while coming out of bathroom. And don't take cold bath, don't exposure to cold, and don't sleep during the daytime. Thank you.
And what is netra stambha?
Heaviness in eyes.
Heaviness in eyes.
When we put the cottons, the pichu on our head or let's say on an injury,
Hanji.
so how we are going to maintain the heat if we put this for 30 minutes?
Hanji.
It will get cold, right? So do we need to heat it again and then we need to change
हाँ,
it?
दो मेथड है इसके, वो आपको डेमो क्लास में देखोगे।
Continuous oil is poured ना?
हाँ जी, एक तो ये मेथड है, अदर मेथड भी वो आपको डेमोस्ट्रेट क्लास में करके बताएंगे ना, टू मेथड।
We can use sesame oil, right?
हाँ जी, no, different type of oil, मतलब कि many type of oil used in different type of disease. For example, शीबला तेल used in stress and महाभृंगा तेल used in hair fall.
For injuries we can use sesame.
हाँ जी,
For injuries we can use sesame oil.
हाँ कर सकते कॉमन।
For hair fall, only center part is important or head?
No, center part of the head.
Oh, that is enough.
Yes.
So in picture it was forehead, no?
No,
No, no, Tyler bent.
so that the oil will not.
No.
So that the oil doesn't fall. So you said we will pour it, it will soak it,
Second.
and we stop.
हाँ जी,
And then we leave it for 30 minutes, we don't change it.
No,
You have to
change
change
the-
after
So
the
once it is little cool,
Madam?
we'll again put another pad and put oil.
We will take this and keep it in oil and then keep it there and then pour oil.
Okay.
टू मेथड है। एक तो ये मेथड है कि जैसे कि हमने तेल डाला, डायरेक्ट में तेल डालना है, मतलब डालना है। अदर मेथड क्या है कि जैसे मतलब कि soak the cotton pad in painful area, then after some time temperature is normal, then again soak the cotton pad in warm oil.
So we'll pour the oil, not
First time.
first time we'll pour the oil and then we'll pick.
Ma'am, whether
And
it
then we'll
is
remove that and put it in warm oil, squeeze the excess
whether
oil
it
and
is
keep it.
management or
That's
cure.
all, ma'am said.
हाँ, relieve the painful management, stress और other conditions.
Ma'am, lumbar cervical pain क्या होता है?
हाँ जी,
वो last में था ना?
lumbosacral strain, compression of lumbosacral region, spine.
L4S1, L5S1. Lower back. मैम ये प्रोसीजर क्लियर नहीं हुआ है कि ऑयल में डिप करना है, रखना है।
हाँ जी मैम।
अगर ऑयल पोर कर रहे हैं, अब
तो
जैसे कि
एक तो ऑयल में डिप करके रखना है, सेकंड जैसे टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल होगा उसके बाद अगेन हमने वार्म ऑयल में डिप करके वहाँ पे रखना है। अदर दूसरा मैथड हम और भी करते हैं ऑयल को।
तो जैसे हम अब सिर पे हमने यहाँ पे पिच्चू रखा हुआ है, ऑयल पोर कर रहे हैं, तो जैसे बस्ती में तो वो बकायदा बाउंड्री वगैरह बनी होती है, अब तेल फिर कहाँ रह के जा रहा है, मतलब
तेल तो सेंटर ऑफ द हेड में रहेगा ना, कॉटन पैड जैसे रखेंगे इन बिटवीन द कॉटन पैड
दिस वी नीड टू लर्न इन द प्रैक्टिकल।
हाँ,
कॉटन स्वैप को भी हम वापस चेंज
Hair fall करके बताया सिर्फ center पे,
बट द
बाकी का
ऑयल द ऑयल व्हिच आई एम नॉट
जैसे ही वो ऑयल हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा आसपास में फैलेंगे तो उसको मसाज करेंगे।
There are only 4 places we can do. Head, neck, knee,
नहीं
and
एनी
back.
पेनफुल एरिया अप्लाई कर हाँ जी
पार्किंसंस में हेल्प हो सकता है
नो
पैरालिसिस पार्किंसंस
वैसे कर सकते हैं ऐसे मसाज भी तो करते हैं वैसे
वो जानू पिचू वाले जिसमें ना वो एक
जानू पिचू मीन्स नी जॉइंट
पूरी एक वर्ड है
hot water, right?
हाँ जी
What about in general condition, whether it's good to have bath with hot water or with cold water?
this we are
Day to day life.
even we are
After-
discussing
No, it-
आपको डे दिस प्रोसीजर
No, I'm not saying this is a general
general
question.
natural मतलब normal health के लिए what is good is what we want to know
वार्म लुक वार्म
extremely